Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to close HDFC savings bank account through online mode or offline mode. Close your HDFC bank savings bank account through online. You need to have HDFC net banking or HDFC mobile banking application. We will see now what is the procedure to close HDFC savings bank account with mobile application. First of all, log in to your mobile banking application, go to services, and then you will find account close request. Through this method you can close and upload scanned Aadhaar, PAN and passbook first and last pages. Then you will get a OTP verification and you should verify that and track status via reference number. So now we will see the procedure with net banking method. Navigate to requests, close account, submit e-forms and download acknowledgement. So this is the now we will see how to close HDFC savings bank account with email request. If you don't have any app, or you can simply send an email to customer service hdfcbank.com. Subject account closure request, your account number, attach signed application document template in description, ID proof, Aadhaar and PAN, passbook scans. Like this you can send your email to the official mail ID customer service @hdfcbank.com. So this is the online procedure, and now we will see the offline procedure. You can visit any nearest HDFC bank branches and you can close your HDFC savings bank account. For that you need original Aadhaar plus PAN card, passbook and unused checkbook, duly filled closure form, download from the official website. Charges are applicable if you closed within 6 months of opening HDFC savings bank account. So if there is any balance transfer options, instant method, you can transfer the balance through UPI, IMPS or NEFT, ATM withdrawal up to daily limits applicable. So submit all this to HDFC branch manager. He will verify your documents and application along with all detail and reasons. He will start the process. Within 3 to 15 days you will get a confirmation message that your HDFC savings bank has been successfully closed.